Tired of starting your day with the same old boring breakfast routine? Want to spice things up and make your mornings more exciting? We're going to introduce you to 5 modern cooking tools that will revolutionize the way you make breakfast. Let's dive into the world of breakfast gadgets that will change your mornings forever. Number 5. Chef's Knife. First of all, let's talk about why a chef's knife is so darn good at breakfast prep. The weight and balance of a good chef's knife make it easy to handle, even if you're not a seasoned pro in the kitchen. You might think, can't my old knife do any good? You could probably pack together a breakfast feast with a dull paring knife and a butter knife, but why settle for second best? Think of it like a surgeon's scalpel. Sure, you could use a pocket knife in a pinch, but it's just not the same. The humble chef's knife is a breakfast prep tool that truly does it all. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast sandwich or going all out with a gourmet feast, a good chef's knife is the key to success. Number 4. Spatula. A spatula might just seem like a boring old kitchen tool. The spatula is like a Swiss Army knife for breakfast foods. It can flip pancakes, scramble eggs, and even stir-fry some veggies for a quick and healthy breakfast stir-fry. Plus, you can even use it to flip burgers, saute onions, or even make grilled cheese sandwiches for lunch. And when you're in a rush in the morning, that ease of use can make all the difference. Now I know some of you might be thinking, okay, but what about non-stick pans? Don't you need a special kind of spatula for those? And the answer is, yes, you do. There are plenty of non-stick spatulas out there that won't scratch up your pans. Plus, they come in all kinds of fun colors and designs, so you can pick one that matches your personality. The spatula may not be the flashiest kitchen tool out there, but it's definitely one of the most useful. And when it comes to making a quick and easy breakfast, you really can't go wrong with a trusty spatula by your side. Number 3. A toaster oven. We all know that a regular toaster can make toast, but that's about it. If you want to take your breakfast game to the next level, then you need a toaster oven. You can even reheat yesterday's pizza or cook up some delicious breakfast sandwiches. The possibilities are endless. You can adjust the temperature, use different cooking modes, and even cook larger items. It's like having a mini oven on your countertop. And most toaster ovens are compact enough to fit on any countertop, so you won't have to worry about taking up too much space. It's the perfect addition to any breakfast routine. So go ahead, give it a try and thank me later. Number 2. Coffee maker. Trust me, this machine can totally turn your morning. We all know that mornings can be hectic, and the last thing we want to do is spend hours in the kitchen making breakfast. With the coffee maker, you can have a delicious cup of coffee and a hot breakfast in minutes. You can brew your coffee while cooking your breakfast, making your morning routine much more efficient. There are so many different types of coffee makers out there, from drip coffee makers to French presses to espresso machines. All you need is a few basic tools like a coffee filter, measuring cup, and spatula, and you're good to go. There's nothing quite like the rich, bold flavor of freshly brewed coffee paired with a hot, savory breakfast. And it's the perfect way to start your day off. Finally, number 1, electric griddle. With an electric griddle, you can cook everything in one place, and it's so easy to clean. Just a quick wipe down from a damp cloth, and you're good to go. Plus, the non-stick surface means you don't have to use a ton of oil or butter. With an electric griddle, the breakfast possibilities are endless. Pancakes, bacon, eggs, French toast, you name it, the electric griddle can handle it. But here's the real kicker, folks. The electric griddle can do things that your regular stovetop just can't. Ever tried making perfectly crispy hash browns on a stovetop? It's a total nightmare. But with the electric griddle, it's totally easy. The electric griddle heats evenly, so you get that perfect golden crust every time. But here's the real reason why the electric griddle is one of the best breakfast cooking tools out there. It's just plain fun to use. Well folks, that's a wrap on our video about the 5 modern cooking tools to make breakfast and kickstart your day. But let's be real, the best part about using these modern cooking tools is how cool you'll look in the kitchen. So go ahead, treat yourself to some new kitchen gadgets and make breakfast the most exciting meal of the day. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, and as always, happy cooking!